Edwin Sifuna threatens to leave ODM. On August 3rd, 2025, speaking at a women's empowerment event in about Trans Nzoia County, ODM Secretary General Edwin Sifuna delivered a clear warning. If his party formally endorses President William Ruto's re-election bid in 2027, he will resign his position and possibly leave the party altogether. Sifuna emphasized that while he will continue reading the official party statements, even those critical of him, he draws the line at reading a document endorsing Ruto. This moment comes amid internal tension with ODM, especially after the party's working agreement with the ruling UDA, which many believe limits ODM electoral readiness. In earlier interviews, Sifuna warned that ODM risks missing its chance in 2027 if it is tied too closely to Ruto's government, giving little time to prepare a presidential campaign or reassert opposition identity. Sifuna's stance has drawn criticism from within ODM. Some supporters have branded him a rebel and even called for his resignation, arguing he undermines party unity. However, but leader Raila Odinga has defended Sifuna's right to speak in a personal capacity, even while acknowledging internal dissent is allowed within ODM's democratic structures. Sifuna's warning is not just personal, it reflects strategic concerns. He has repeatedly claimed that President Ruto is trailing in public approval and is likely to lose in 2027, even with ODM support. He has spoken sharply about what he terms Ruto's failing state, accusing the government of mismanaging sectors like education, healthcare, and taxation, arguing that continued collaboration could erode ODM's identity and electoral prospects. What does that mean for ODM and Kenya's 2027 race? Sifuna's ultimatum places serious pressure on the party leadership to weigh the cost of alliance versus independence. It could also signal fractures in how ODM navigates its opposition role. If ODM proceeds with endorsing Ruto, it may lose its status as a distinct opposition force and risk losing key figures like Sifuna. Conversely, rejecting and support could energize the party's pace and clarity, or rather clarify messaging.